Welcome to our channel. Implementing continuous integration with GitHub Actions automates your testing and deployment processes, improving code quality and reducing manual work in your development workflow. Step 1. Understand that GitHub Actions allows you to automate tasks directly in your repository whenever events like pushes or pull requests occur. Step 2. Create a workflows directory in your repository by adding a .github folder at the root level and creating a workflows subfolder inside it. Step 3. Write your first workflow file using YAML syntax, defining when the workflow should run and what jobs it should execute. Step 4. Define your trigger events, such as pushes to specific branches, pull requests, or scheduled times using cron syntax. Step 5. Set up your build environment by specifying the operating system and version where your code will run, such as Ubuntu latest or Windows. Step 6. Add checkout action to your workflow, which pulls your repository code into the runner environment so subsequent steps can access it. Step 7. Configure your programming language and dependencies by adding steps to install required tools, packages, and frameworks. Step 8. Add testing steps that run your test suite, ensuring that new code doesn't break existing functionality. Step 9. Implement code quality checks using linters or static analysis tools that enforce coding standards automatically. Step 10. Set up deployment steps that automatically publish your code to production or staging environments when tests pass. Your continuous integration pipeline is now automating your development workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.